Hello.
Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
Good. Good, thank you. So I decided to record this time and then give you the recording just in case if you need to go back and check.
Yeah, if I forget.
Yeah, because last time I also
Uh-huh.
did recording, but for some reason it didn't save.
Oh, I see, I see.
Yeah. Okay, just give me a second, I'll finish something here. How are you guys doing? Busy?
Yeah, I was busy today.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
That's good. Okay. So um did you wanted to change something here, right? On the front page.
Below that, I did change like the milk tea signature, the milk tea.
Mm-hmm.
Down below, I added the lactose free.
Oh, okay. So I
I
see you
added that
changed the.
one.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I don't know if I had that one too. I don't know if I had the right color of the word, like
Okay.
the lactose free. So it matches to your original coloring.
Okay. So
Like
let.
when you go to the menu, there's a pink color. I wanted it pink though, but I don't know if it's the same color as yours.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. So okay. So you edit it like this. Okay. So that's the color, I guess. That's a pin color. So this is the color that I use for the pink.
Yeah, you just use the color that you use.
Mm-hmm. The only thing I see here is that it's probably not gonna. So it doesn't really look nice on the mobile screen.
Mm.
Okay, so here's actually good. So what I recommend doing in this case, um, so this phrase lactose free. So let's split it into two
Two?
parts. Yeah, so this is the title here. When I click on this title, you see this is like a separate section, right?
Yeah.
So this is an H2 titles, and this is a text. So let's add a new title below this one and call it, oh, sorry, lactose free. And let's change the color to the one that we use. And
Mm-hmm.
let's make it H3 and then change it to uppercase
Mm-hmm.
and italic.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, it's slightly different color, you see, so it's
Yeah, it's dark. Mine is darker.
yeah, and then
Oh, that's how you change the size.
yeah, so let's make it 34 pixels. And now delete this part.
Okay.
Why is so I'm not sure why is it shifted. Oops. Okay, and now we're gonna add some space here,
Mm,
like this.
yeah.
So,
And would it appear okay in mobile? Can
well,
you check?
then this is what we're gonna check right now. So this is the mobile. Um, I don't really like how it appears, but let's see if we can change it. It's a little bit overlapping the image. So this is
Mm-hmm.
what I don't really like. Um, so sometimes you have to play with all these like layout
Margins?
margins and
Yeah.
stuff like that. Yeah.
Okay.
So uh,
I-off on. On off.
so maybe what I can do is just make it a little darker. So I made the image a little bit darker so the text actually more visible. Does it make sense?
Okay. Yeah. Can you make a little bit lighter? I think it's too dark. Is it
The
not?
image? The image?
Yeah, the image.
Yeah, I can. This
There,
is
there.
better.
That's good.
Okay, let's keep it this way.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this section, so now so here is a trick. So once you have some element ready, right? You can actually,
Mm-hmm.
if you can do this trick here. So right click and then duplicate, and then you can just drag and drop where you need it.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, so now I'm gonna just delete this stuff here because we already have the same phrase, right? Lactose free.
Yeah. And how
Same
come
as
it's already black now?
just 1 second, something wrong here. Let's keep it this way.
Okay.
Okay, just let me double check. So we have, okay, so it's all good here. It's all good here. It's all good here. Now, this one probably is gonna just Okay. 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 Now this one looks fine actually,
Yep.
and the rest looks fine. Okay. This section we don't need. Okay, so when I click on this icon here, preview, it actually gives me the real page. So I'm just double checking if it looks the way I want it.
Nice.
Hold on a second, where is the link? Okay, something wrong. This one got deleted somehow. Okay, so I'm just gonna duplicate it and move it over here. But the
And
link
it
has
will
to,
go.
but
Oh, okay.
the yeah, the link has to be changed, and it's what is it called? Smoothies. Oops. Oh, it's not gonna find this way. Okay, so I just need to grab a link. So this is the link because it goes to the product category. So that's what I need here.
Okay.
So I just copied and paste product category smoothies. And now we have this icon here as well. Okay.
Nice.
And this one stays the same. Yeah, so we're good. Okay. So this is good. This is good. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, sorry. So it was maybe like lots of little stuff.
Yeah,
But
I like how if I accidentally hit the WordPress editor again, because I think my error was I don't know what to click or where to go for the Elementor, like wherever you are right now. How do I go there?
Yeah, so ideally, so this is saved. So let's say you're in front page.
Yeah.
So I don't remember where you clicked to go to the WordPress. So you probably clicked on the edit the page instead of this one, edit with Elementor.
Okay. And
So
then
once you click edit with Elementor, you shouldn't be able to go to WordPress. I don't even think you have that option. So
I
this one
see.
goes back, yeah, this one goes to the Elementor editor.
Okay. And then how do I go like if I wanted to change the facts, the frequently asked questions? Where do
Okay.
I go?
Okay, so which page is it on? Let's
I
see.
think it's
It's on contact us page.
maybe
Yeah,
there.
it's here. Okay, yeah. So when you're on the contact us page, right?
Okay.
Just give me a second. I'm just checking something. Just one second. Okay, yeah, we're good. Okay, so this is contact us page. And this is FAQ. So again, you just click on the edit with Elementor.
Okay.
And that's the section. So you click
Okay.
on it, and on the left-hand side, you will see these tabs. So basically, this is what, like, this tab is how to order online. So if you click on it, it expands and it shows this content here. right?
Okay,
So
and if I want to add more,
if you want to add more, you simply
add
you
item.
can either duplicate it, like copy,
Okay.
and it appears the fourth one, right?
Okay, I
Or
see.
you can hit add item, which basically does like the same stuff.
Okay.
But it's just easy, in
Okay.
my opinion, it's just easier to clone. So when you click on this
Yeah,
icon,
right.
it duplicates.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so and then you just add the text, and that's pretty much it.
Okay. And then one more question.
Yeah.
Remember when they order drinks, they can select an option, right? Like an add-on.
Mm-hmm.
What if that add-on is not available? How do I make that out of stock?
You can't really make it out of stock because it's not a product. You have to, yeah, you would have to go to the backend of the website and go to those add-ons, like to those settings. So this is, where are they? What second? Why I don't see them?
The
Here.
PPOM?
Yeah, PPOM. So under WooCommerce PPOM.
Okay.
And fruit teas, right?
Yeah, just let's say just fruit tea.
Yeah. So
Okay.
you click on this add-on for fruit teas,
Okay.
and then you go like this add-on.
Okay.
You click on edit, and you go to options, and then you just have to click delete, like the one that is, yeah. So this is the option name, this is the price, this and so basically all you can sort them, right? You can drag them around.
Okay. How about if I click that stock pro only? Only if I'm pro?
You have to stock, that means you can edit the stock level, like if you know the quantity that you have in stock, right?
I would not know.
Yeah, and this is a pro option, so you would have to pay for this extra money.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, never mind then.
Yeah, you can simply delete it and then
add later.
create again. So let's say let's keep this one. So I'm just gonna copy this name. So if I hit delete, right, so it's not available anymore. Or I can click plus and then change the name.
Okay.
Right, and the price.
Okay.
So this is how it works, and then just don't forget to click save fields.
Okay.
What are the questions?
Hold on here.
So,
one of our customers asked because they got confused, so they went into our store instead because they thought that they could only check out one item. So is there a way that when they click checkout, then there's an option where they can put add more or something like that. Do you know what I mean?
Sure. Like let's say if I go
Like
to the website, so and I'm gonna order, I don't know, let's order bubble.
anything. Yeah.
So
Let's say they added that to the cart.
yeah, so I'm choosing some options, right?
Okay.
And then I click like the quantity, how many of them.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
let's say I need 5 drinks, right?
Yeah. And then if they click add to cart,
Mm-hmm.
so they thought that they can't add more. You know what I mean?
Yeah, they can just close and then go to.
Yeah, that's what we taught her how to do it, but then she said maybe there's a way that you could just click add more so it goes back to the menu.
I'm not quite sure what she means, but okay, so I go to the cart, right?
The checkout, yeah. And then
Yeah,
there's
to the
a, a, somewhere a button where they can put add more.
to
Like
oh,
before you place the order, like
oh,
go
I
back to the
see.
checkout.
So if I go to the cart itself, like here,
Yeah, and then not that, like if they want to add a different drink.
well, then just go to the back to the no, well, menu and then add another drink.
Yeah, but there's no way that they could maybe just click add more. Like when you shop at any online store, they will add continue shopping or something like that. You know what I mean?
Um, okay, so if I add to the cart,
Yeah, but sometimes they get confused and maybe they're used to other website that says continue shopping, add more drink, add more snack, add more product or something like that. There's no way
well,
that we could do that other than closing or something.
well,
Like
this is
in
just
your
a pop-up.
options there, in your options there, it says view cart checkout. There's no option that you could add more product or continue shopping or something like that.
Well, this is just a pop-up, right? So it just like a slide in. I mean, if I was in the cart, then it would be different story. But here I just click
Yeah.
on the website and continue shopping. Like
Oh,
why would I need another button in the cart? It just
I don't know.
it just
Sometimes people are just so that's why we taught her, but then she said that she might not be the only one that had difficulty understanding or what. Maybe there's a way that you could add. I don't know. It's one of our customers. So instead of just ordering online, she just came into the store and just order at the store because she got confused.
well, I'm not quite sure what she means because like even in this screen when I'm um in the cart,
How
right?
about if you do, yeah, how about if you go to like a phone screen?
Oops, 1 second. So this is
So I think
phone.
that's where she got confused. She doesn't know how to add.
Well, this is the shop button here.
Oh,
And there is a
if you
menu.
click
Like
shop,
I mean there are a bunch of options to go back to the shop. Like I can click on the shop and it takes me back to the shop. I can click on the menu, it takes me back to the
oh,
like there are
I
lots of
see.
options and there is also a card here and here, like in both places. So I can go back
I
to the
see.
card, I can go back to the card here, I can view card,
That's right.
and then
That
I
makes
go
sense.
and then I can go back to the shop again, and then I can go back to the categories again. Like I mean, what does she
Yeah.
mean?
I don't know with her, but yeah, that makes sense though. I didn't realize that you have a shop button there.
Well, yes, and the menu still is on the top, right? Not only here, but also
Mm-hmm.
here. Like
I don't know.
what keeps you from browsing the website?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe that's good enough. Maybe she just, I don't know.
Is it
She
just one
just so
person
picky
or
with the word. So far, one person, because it was just recently that we posted in the like our social media that our website is already working.
Mhm.
Yeah, so far just one who complained, but other
Like
than that, every
I know other stores, they actually like when you click on the product, right?
mm-hmm,
Um so let's say once I hit add to cart, it takes me to the cart, which is
mm-hmm,
wrong. Like I against this policy, because that means I would have to, like, instead of browsing, right? In my case, it just shows that this product was added to the cart, so I can continue
mm-hmm.
shopping, right? This is what I want.
Yeah,
But other stores, they actually take you to the cart, and then you have to click back to go to the store,
yeah,
which is stupid. I mean, this is not user friendly.
mm-hmm,
Like
right.
I wanna just click on the card, and it just like goes to the card, and
Pops
then I
up.
continue shopping, right?
Yeah,
I don't want to click back to the shop, which
right.
is like it's just too much clicking. In this
Mm-hmm,
case, like I'm staying on the same page, which is like this is what I expect people would do. And then I can continue browsing other products, like you know, somewhere here, and then edit another one, and then when I'm ready, I'm just clicking on the shopping cart, or if I'm ready now, right? Like once I've
yeah,
added to the cart. So if I'm ready, then I can click on checkout or view cart. So depending on what I want. So if I go to view cart, I can adjust the quantity, I can adjust I can delete some products, right? And then once I'm
mm-hmm.
ready, I can go to checkout. But
Okay.
if the shop takes me to the cart every time I add the product, this is wrong. Like,
I
I
know.
mean,
It's
maybe
so time consuming.
yeah, I mean, maybe she's used to that specific flow, but other, you know, 99% people are not used to this. So
Yeah,
in her case, I would, you know, I would tell her, you know, get used to a better flow, you know,
yeah.
like it's
And also, is there a like in your shop button there, it goes back to all products instead of linking it to all the products. Can you link it to the category?
in which what do you mean which button?
Like remember you went to the mobile screen and then
Mhm.
there's a shop button there.
Oh, this one here.
There. Yeah, instead of going
Mm.
to all the products, can you
But how do we
link
know
it to
which category they ended up?
like the list of category? No?
I would not recommend doing this because we have list of categories here, like in the normal menu,
Mm-hmm.
but this is just in the generic. So normally people like
Because I just thought that it would be hard for them to scroll up and down and then it's 87.
well, it's they don't have to scroll. First of all, we have categories here, right?
Oh,
So we have categories here. And it's very I think it's very explicit, like
yeah,
showing the categories.
it would be good if that category would appear right away if they click shop.
But this is like
Because I don't know if they would know that there's category up there. Even me, I would not know. Even I just know because you showed me, but then for others, I don't think. Because if what if they want a takoyaki and then
so they can go to the regular menu and to choose the
yeah,
category
but
they
then
want.
I just want them to be easy. I would just want it to be easy
this
for
is
them.
this is not this is not something that makes their life easy. First of all, this is common practice to have like a, you know, the shop, because other people would just say to you, oh, I didn't want to go to that category, I want to go back to the shop, to the main page.
Yeah, but I feel like shop category is much more easier. Like, because I know when I do my orders here, I know that each customer would be confused. They might click the wrong, like for example, avocado smoothie, they might click the wrong smoothie instead of bubble tea. They click the wrong. You know what I mean? That's why I wanted
Mm.
it to be under category rather than under everything. And not all are tech savvy though, so it would be easier if they can select, like if they want to choose a takoyaki, a snack, it would be according to like alphabetical order. They have to scroll down, up and down.
Sorry, I don't get your idea. So you want, instead of this shop, what do you want to see here?
I want the instead of shop, instead of when they click the shop, instead of showing everything, all the products, like the 87 products, I want the category to show instead of that. I want it to be easier for them rather than
Oh, you
I
wanted
like
just to see the categories, like the list of
yeah,
categories?
yeah, that they
Hmm.
can click so that it's not easier for them and less clicking for them.
I'll think about this. This is something like the, like
Like
it
when
touches
you click
other
the category,
yeah.
if you click the category, I want that's the thing that appears when they click the shop. They don't have to click that again. Because I think that's really easier.
I see what I can do, but honestly, this is something that touches other areas of the website. So I can't promise you that I can, like, this is a separate menu. It's not the main menu that user is supposed to use. Like, that's the main menu with all the categories and the main menu here.
Mm-hmm.
So like
My thing is, my only concern is I don't think all of my customers would have to learn each of the links, would have to learn everything. Some of them, they only ordered once a month, they forget where to
yeah.
go, maybe rarely a month. So they forget where to go. They won't memorize everything. And sometimes I want it to be easier for them. So
uh it's
if you
not
could
like
add,
you can't create the website that is easier for each individual person. You know, like there are common practices that there are studies behind these menus and flows, and this is based on what people expect actually from the website. Like
yeah, but
if one, yeah.
for me, just like, because I've been doing the milk tea, I know that each customer would want to see by category, not all of the products, and then have to scroll down, up and down, up and down, and search for the snacks. What if they want the last letter or something, or is somewhere in between, and they won't know which like number, like 1 out of 12? So it's like it's so hard for them to scroll up and down, and not all of them will know that if they click home, there's a category there, there's a snack option there. Like I feel like it's easier if the shop button is linked to a category. Like I think that's the most important thing.
Okay, let me think about this. Okay, again, I'll try to do my best to link this button to categories on the front page, and see how it goes. Okay, I'll let you know.
Or even if you don't link it to a front page, as long as the category shows up right away. The shop, and then there's a category there, categories. even if it just shows up. That's just what I wanted.
Okay, I see what I can do.
Rather than them clicking it again or clicking that word categories. I don't know. I don't think they would understand that they can click that one.
Okay. I'll try to do it.
Okay.
Okay, what else?
I think that that's so far my questions, other than I think I sent you an email that it appears as uncategorized in our end for all the orders.
Okay, so let's I think this recording is gonna end in 3 minutes. So let's connect again and I will explain what I found, okay?
Okay.
So just join again using this the same link, okay?
Okay.
Good. See you in a minute.